Here's how to verify your age on Twitter. So if you want to log into your Twitter, then you'll see on the options in the more, go to your settings and privacy. Now from here, you'll see the option called the premium. So if your account is new, you'll be able to see this button right here. Now for my case, since my account is suspended, you'll not be able to verify my age. But if it's your account, just simply go to this button right here, go to the premium, and then simply just determine and add a facial age estimation, or just use and upload a live selfie, which will be used to estimate your age. Or you can do an ID verification. You can submit a government issued ID, which will be used to estimate your age by the artificial intelligence system. And if they detect that you're over 18, then they'll set up your account and verify your X account. But if you do not detect your account to be over 18, then your account will get suspended and you won't be able to use X or Twitter that much. And as you can see, it will become like this. You need to subscribe to unlock more posts. And that's basically how you can verify your age on X or Twitter. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification